Hello and welcome. Thank you so much for being here again. So today we'll know what is the meaning and the difference between hand register, aftermarket, backorder, aged, and SEO domain names. So let's get started. So what are hand registered domains? We call it hand registering when we register the domain names that no one else has registered and are currently available to buy with the standard fees. Hand registering a domain name is the process of registering a new domain at any registrar by hand without using any automated tools. These domains could be new and no one registered them before, or they might be owned before but expired and dropped because the old owner forgot to renew or didn't want to. And we have backordered domains. A domain backorder is a service that helps you attempt to acquire a domain when it becomes available for registration. You can think of backorder like putting a reservation on a specific domain. You just put your domain on a list, and when the domain expires, you will get a chance to register it before anyone else. Domain backorders make it easier to keep track of the status of a domain name you want. So you will know sooner when it expires and becomes available, or if it's renewed by its current owner, or when it goes up for auction on its current registrar's auction partner site. If you find an expired domain name you want, you can place a backorder for the domain with a drop catching or backorder service. These services are specialized in automatically registering expired domains as soon as they become available again. There are also aftermarket domains. These are the domain names that already owned and has been put up for sale by the owner for many reasons, including the current owner purchased the domain for their business but didn't have time to make it happen, or they stopped working on it and decided to sell it and have some profit, or simply because they believe that the domain name will have big potential and they could sell for high price. That's why the aftermarket domains are often selling for high. Aged domains. As its name says, an aged domain is a domain address that has a few years around the internet. They have previously been used for other websites, typically for a period of several years. Some of the main reasons for this, the original owner probably forgot to renew it. These have higher built-in credibility for search engines. And it's always better to get an aged domain name before it's dropped because its first registration date will remain the same. There are many ways to get these domains, which we will cover in the next videos in practice. And finally, we have SEO domains. These are aged domains that have some backlinks, which help the website get organic traffic from search engines, including Google, Yahoo, Bing, and so on. But before purchasing any SEO domains, there are many things that we have to check first, such as quality of the backlinks, spam score, domain authority, page authority, number of indexed URLs, and so on. And all this we'll see in deep in the next videos, so just stay tuned. That's it for today's video. Hope you got some value from this lesson. Thank you so much for being here once again. See you in the next video. Mustapha was here, mrfulltime.com.